This is the latest generation of OHAUS MB moisture analyzers. Their sleek new design offers improved durability and stability in performance with an upgraded load cell, which is a step up from their predecessors. The MB32 replaces the MB27 and the MB92 replaces the MB90. The MB62 does not replace any previous model. All three new models are the same shape, measuring 21 by 13.8 by 35.2 centimeter and weighing 4.3 kilograms or 9.5 pounds. All models include OHAUS's latest innovation, carbon fiber heating technology, which allows uniform heating and delivers faster results while saving energy. It is ideal for food, pharmaceutical, and chemical applications. The upgraded load cell is more reliable, precise, and efficient than previous models, with superior overload, protection, and enhanced stability that reduces outside factors such as vibrations and temperature fluctuations, leading to more consistent results. Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solids analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventive maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.